It's your birthday.
If I die, bury me inside the Louis style.
They ask me what I do and who I do, girl. It's your birthday. Oh my, I know you're thirsty.
Hey, so y'all, by the time y'all see this video, it will be my 38th birthday, y'all. I just made a wish. This is a little chit chat, get ready with me, like my YouTube channel, the state of YouTube, how I'm feeling, how I overcame certain videos. It's not a long video, but nonetheless, enjoy, and I wish you all well, and let's just get into the video. Okay, getting started, I'm going to prime my lids, y'all. Y'all, this birthday, I feel like this one is just even more special. You know, I made a big move, new city, by myself, made the leap. And you know, I think sometimes there's a stigma placed on certain things, like you don't have kids, you're single, you should be doing this and that by this age and that age. And I'm here to tell you, live your life. Ain't none of that's true. If you're the kind of person like me, what's for you? I just put things in the universe I want, but it's up to you to go out and execute to make those things happen. Also, you can't say you want to move, but you're doing no research to move. See what I'm saying? I did all the research. I did everything I needed to do. I put it out there in the universe. Like, let this happen. I have the NYX Soft Focus Primer. So in this video, I'm going to try to use as much NYX product as possible. And it looks like it's a deep pan, but that's my fingerprint already in there. Now, this is a very soft primer. It's supposed to blur, but on combo oily skin, it has starch in it. It also has sunflower oil in it. There is more oils in this primer than anything. You know, the starch is what's going to help you with that mattifying effect. It blurs a little, but on combo oily skin like me, I have to go back on top of it with something. So that's just my skin. You know, somebody who might be dry skin, that's going to be for you. An oily person, I don't see how that would work for you. So I'm just going to go back in my T-zone with my Dr. Brandt for some drama and a smoky eye. I'm going to go in with the NYX Gel Liner. And I'm going to actually use that as a base for my smoky eye, y'all. But yeah, like I was saying, I celebrate more personal New Year's. Like, New Year's is good. You know, don't get me wrong. Like, Happy New Year and all that. But I think your personal New Year is when you should go all out. Like, it's another year you're here. It's another year I'm on YouTube. And like I always tell people, whether it's slow growth or no growth, I enjoy getting on here, sharing my knowledge of what I learned via makeup. How did I do that? But I'll get it off. Via makeup. And this brings the conversation of what we're having in some of the YouTube support threads now. Like how to grow your channel. Like, those support threads are good, but they're not the end all be all of your channel. I knew stepping into this, doing a lot of research, that there was a lot of beauty girls and guys on YouTube. How you going to crack the mold? How you going to stand out? You know, I thought I would stand out with like a beauty on a budget and doing all things via couponing. But some people just can't follow along. That's why I stopped the couponing videos. I'm digging into this Morphe palette and matting out. We going matte today. I like matte cut creases, by the way. I don't always have to have shimmer in. Like I said, I'm not only hooded eyes, but I'm deep set eyes. And shimmers can really flake off and just mess up. Would you be homesick? Would you be this? Would you be that? I didn't know until I actually moved. And I moved. And although we're only... If you see my vlogs, you'll see me go back to Charleston like in 2 hours and 45 minutes. Not super far. But you don't see me running back home. So on top of that deep red color, I'm going into this eggplanty purple color. And this is going in the direct crease. And I'm hooded eyes but deep set eyes. So y'all, I have to blend for my life. You know how RuPaul Drag Race is sing for your life? I have to blend for my life. So I like to hold my hand back as further away on the brush to give that blowing out airbrush effect, y'all. And just go with it and blend with it. Makeup shouldn't be difficult, in my opinion. And actually, everything I'm using up here today is super affordable. Again, going back to my true roots of my channel, my beauty on a budget channel. That's my thing, honey. Because since you know, becoming disabled, I learned that saving is important, y'all. And I think I do well. I'm very content with me. You know, if you follow me via IG, I'm on Instagram stories a lot. I'm on Snapchat a lot. I'm very content with me and pretty happy. This orangey nudie color, I'm just going and diffusing the edges with this small crease brush. This is an MUA brush from CVS. Y'all, this is like by far. Lashes are on. I also took the NYX matte but not flat and mixed into that particular foundation. But y'all, like I said, you have to pray more, worry less. And I know that sounds cliche, but certain things do work. You know, I feel like I have a good spirit about things. I have a good attitude about things, because what happened with my leg, I can't change that. But I can only keep on living, you know, and follow your dreams. You know, before this happened with my leg, my dream was always YouTube. And it shouldn't have taken me sitting home nursing an amputated leg to say, you know what, let me hop on YouTube. I was so busy on the go with other things. You know, careerful things, but that career that I had, I wasn't really happy in it, y'all. I wasn't really happy. So I tell anybody anything on this 38th birthday. A 38-year-old is telling y'all, don't make the mistake. Push you and support your dreams. You are all you need. Support is everything. I get that. We know that. But it's easier said than done. Nobody's going to ride for you like you. And it's unfortunate, you know, we live in a society where, you know, say if you was to take off and pop off and be the next Super Sense with the crayon case, watch the comment sections. Watch how everybody jump on it. Just the world. Don't let none of that discourage you from keep on going and following your dreams. Let somebody like her be an inspiration. Let somebody like her and her team, you know, be an inspiration. If a cosmetic line is what you want, like my sister, just being on YouTube, if that's something you want, like me and many other girls. Some people ain't in it for I'm here to tell you, no matter what concealer, I'm a creaser. So I love to take this and blow out my waterline right there in the crease. That's a little trick I use. That way you kind of camouflage in that crease area with a little color. And then you blowing out that bottom line too, making it even a little more sexy. So I get a lot of compliments on, yeah, you pop that in that waterline. I'm a creaser, see what I mean? So I might as well just put something down there. So for my highlight, I'm going to go in with an OG, which is NYX Synthetica. Trying to keep it with the NYX theme. But Synthetica, you have to be a little bit careful. I like the extra security on the lips. I love lining my lips with the NYX Transylvania. I'll go in with this Cat Suit by Wet n Wild.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to me. 38 feeling like fine wine, y'all. I promise y'all, like I feel better than kind of like I ever